Welcome to Blaze tutorial. Today we'll be looking at another UTME mathematics question gotten from 2025 exam, and the question goes like this: solve for y in Surds 75 minus Surds 12 plus Surds 27 all equals to y Surds 3. So we are solving for y to find the value of y. Now these numbers under the surd, we are going to break them down by looking for the factors of each of them, and the factors we are going to select are those ones that one of them must be a perfect square while the other must be a prime number. So this my 75 here can be written as the surd of 25 times 3, because 25 times 3 is 75. This 12 can be written as 4 times 3, and plus this 27 can be written as what? 9 times 3. All roots is equals to y Surds 3. When you look at this number, each of them here, this is a perfect square, this is a perfect square, and this is a perfect square. Now when you find the square root of 25, it's going to give you 5. So you bring it outside the surd, become 5 Surds 3 minus the square root of 4 is 2, bring it out, 2 Surds 3 plus the square root of 9 is 3, this becomes 3 Surds 3 is equals to y Surds 3. Now these are all in Surds 3's, so you can collect like terms here. We will now have 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, so we have 6 Surds 3 is equals to y Surds 3. Now when you now eliminate Surds 3, y will now become equals to 6. So my answer is 6. So the option here is option D is the correct answer. Thank you viewers at home for watching. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.